Yo, it's your boy KK, the boy from the hood, man. I just wanted to come here and listen to my song, man. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to listen it through the car. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. I want you guys to rate it for me out of 10. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I'm just gonna listen to it, man, because I love listening to my record, especially in the car. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Let me just play the record, you know. It's my favorite part right here, man. Tell me, guys, what you think. You can give your answer through the comments. You know what I'm saying? I love that song, man. That song is really, it really means a lot to me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just want you guys to rate the song. How would you rate it out of 1 to 10? You know what I'm saying?